You do know you don't need 100,000 subscribers or even a fancy setup to make serious money on YouTube, right? What if you had a blueprint to start earning from day one? Today, I'm gonna tell you how anybody can start cashing in without having to wait on YouTube monetization. I'll run you through the highest paying topics, the power of views over subscribers, and how affiliate links can make money from your very first video. This ain't about luck or viral hits. It's about a strategy that anybody can use starting right now. All right, so the very first thing you need to understand as far as making money on YouTube from day one, the most important thing is what you're talking about. And while a lot of this upcoming information is relevant when it comes to the point where you get monetized, it's still relevant and it still matters as far as making money before you get monetized from the very first day. Now, here's the reality. Certain topics are more valuable than other topics, right? YouTube pays more and you have the ability to monetize yourself on topics that are what we call high earning niches. And trust me, these do increase your revenue from day one. If you watch any content on making money on YouTube, then you've heard the word CPM, RPM, all that good stuff. Niches like finance, technology, health, and business, all of those earn more money, right? And here's why, if you don't know. Everything is a business, bro. Every single thing is a business. So let's say there's a stock company, right? Like Acorns. Acorn comes to Google, who owns YouTube, and says, hey, here's $1 million. Show my ads on every video where people are talking about stocks. Those type of advertisers pay a premium because now think about this. Think about the type of people that are watching stock content, right? People that are watching content on stocks probably have more disposable income and are probably more interested and dedicated to those topics. So what that means for the advertiser is, boom, high value customers. So ultimately, you want to target an audience that is high value because once again, advertisers do pay a premium to reach audiences interested in these topics. That's why what you talk about here, in order to make money from day one on YouTube, needs to be something valuable, right? You need to give value. You need to teach something. You need to solve problems in the form of YouTube content. And you're probably like, well, bro, I'm not into stocks. I'm not into crypto. I'm not into none of that stuff. You don't necessarily have to be. How to start a barbecue pit, how to cook noodles, how to properly rake leaves, how to cut grass. I can guarantee you right now, if you put that in your search bar, you can find something on those topics. Because what happens when you do this is you attract an audience that is engaged, loyal, and ready to take action. That's why a lot of the times you see a lot of those gaming channels, the ones that get the tens of millions of views, they still make a bag. But for the most part, a lot of those channels don't. And that's because it's mostly kids, it's mostly teenagers watching those channels. And while they might be engaged and loyal to those topics, they aren't ready to go in their wallets because they don't have them and pull that debit card out and click those ads and buy something. Also, when you add value, it helps you get more views. You need to stick around into a later segment in this video because I'm going to explain to you why that's the most important thing. But when you keep viewers engaged with your videos, when you keep them watching like they do with a tutorial or a how-to video, then YouTube pushes that video further and gets you more views, which also tells YouTube that this content is valuable. Now, when you record those videos, you need to make them searchable and evergreen. What that means is keep it simple. How to lace up Jordans, how to tie a tie, you name it. Because what those are gonna do is drive consistent views, even if you rank on the home page or not. Now, all that CPM talk, audience value talk is mostly for after you get monetized. But listen up, this is the most important part as far as making money before you're monetized from day one. These kind of topics have affiliate potential. Now, let's go over how to start earning from day one by adding and utilizing affiliate income. All right, now, even before you're eligible to earn with YouTube's ad revenue, you can start earning from day zero on affiliate links. Now, what affiliate is pretty much earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through a link in your video description. So even from the time you post your very first video, you can set up affiliate links. You can set up with Amazon, which I will get into, and you can start earning. And see, the reason why last segment was so important and relevant to this section is because when you're talking about something targeted, then you can recommend products or services that are relevant to that video and earn on those. It doesn't require having a big subscriber base. It's more about having a relevant audience, even if that audience is small. Let's talk about choosing products or services that are relevant and fit your content. To maximize your affiliate income, the products should naturally fit what you're talking about, right? So let's say you pick finance and stocks, right? Stock trading apps, budgeting software, stuff like that. A lot of the times these companies will reach out to you and say, hey, we seen that you have a video. Even if it's got a couple hundred views, they'll ask you if you want to sign up for their affiliate model. But most of the time, you don't even have to do that. When you sign up for these apps, they tell you, hey, earn X amount of dollars, refer a friend, here's your link. With tech, right? If you're doing tech, then that's when Amazon is going to come into play. Amazon affiliates, Amazon associates, anybody can sign up for that. That's one of the first things that I started earning on when I started doing this. Health, supplements, workout equipment, no matter what you're doing, there are affiliate models and affiliate programs that you can join to earn on these, right? Now, you can maximize this when you're doing your tutorial videos. Like I have a video where I built a sneaker icing box. I know me from my personal experience, when I'm doing something like that, I want to follow the steps exactly how the person that I'm watching is doing it, especially if it's proven to work. So that means I want exactly what you have and to follow your steps step by step. So what that means is this is an opportunity for you to earn money. And just like for me, they wanted the light that I used, they wanted the foil I used, they wanted the saran wrap I used, and the products I used. I was monetized when I made that video. Even if I wasn't monetized, I earned more in affiliate payout from Amazon than I did actually for ad revenue for that video. All right, now let's talk about affiliate platforms, right? Amazon Associates, ClickBanks, or Share a Sale, where they can find a variety of products. That's going to be your best bet, especially if the things that you're covering are part of that strange group where you do have affiliate models where they want to like review every application. Most people are going to fall under the Amazon blanket simply because that's the widest variety of products. I mean, you can literally affiliate any product on Amazon once you're in Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliates. A quick Google search for, let's say, barbecue affiliate programs can bring up tons of options for relevant products. Also, mention the product naturally or place the products naturally in your video and direct users to that link in that bio so that they know exactly where to find what you're looking for, right? Here's the cool thing about Amazon too. Let's say you click my link for the Magic Mouse. Then you look around and you say, man, the Magic Mouse is too expensive. I'm gonna go with a cheaper alternative. I still earn on that affiliate because my click got you shopping on Amazon. So that's the cool thing too. Now, Rakuten is another one of those affiliate models that kind of fit a broad range of things and they pay really well. In fact, before I was ever monetized on YouTube as far as ad revenue, I made $714 earnings on affiliate signups by simply including that link and telling people to click it to get cash back, which is what that service provides. This is during my days when I was covering sneaker reselling, and for a sneaker reseller, a lot of the times earning cash back on inventory that you're buying is a useful tool. So because that's a useful tool in what I was teaching, I was able to earn some good paper through that model. So that's just a personal success story of mine to let you know that it is possible. With the right products and a relevant audience, this can be steady income from the very start. Now, say this with me, write it down so you can remember this, all right? Attention is the most valuable asset on the internet. I repeat, attention is the most valuable asset on the internet. The most common misconception is many new creators think that the subscriber count is the key to earning on. Many new creators think that subscriber count is the key to earning big on YouTube. But the real secret is the views, bro. The views is what earn on YouTube. A channel with 1 million subscribers but only getting 50,000 views a month is earning less than a creator with only 5,000 subscribers and getting 100,000 or 200,000 views a month, especially if they're talking about the same thing. Now, don't get me wrong, having subscribers can boost views because there is that element of channels with higher subscriber getting views just based off their subscriber count, especially when they run across new viewers, but they aren't a direct factor in earning. It's the attention from consistent views that drives the revenue. Now, let's talk about ad revenue for a minute. Ad revenue is based on how many times ads are played, right? Which correlates directly with views, not subscribers. More views equals more opportunities for monetization, even if you're not monetized. Because not only am I a creator and a micro influencer, I also work a social media department for a company, and I look for micro influencers and creators. It looks a lot better for you to have only 10,000 subscribers or followers and average 40,000 views per piece of content than to have 1 million and only be getting 2,000, 3,000. That's why everything I mentioned in today's video is relevant, right? Because you want repeat viewers. You want people to come back and tune into your content. That's why it matters what you talk about. And also you want sponsors, which is the next way to monetize before you are actually monetized on YouTube. I think every creator can vouch, we can all agree that we probably made just as much, or if not more, in sponsorship dollars than we had in actual ad revenue. So what a sponsorship is basically a company will come in and say, hey, Rico, we'll pay you X amount to talk about our product, right? Because here's the reality. When they go directly to YouTube and they give YouTube the bag and they trust YouTube to disperse it, sometimes it isn't as targeted, because you can advertise with them and say, okay, show this on all stock videos, but they want to niche down, right? They want to show this to high yield trading people. A shoe cleaner company can come and say, okay, show this ad on all relevant videos to shoes. But then they want to talk to you because you specialize in showcasing or teaching how to lace up Nikes, and now they know that that's who actually buys shoe cleaner, not people wearing Asics or other running shoes that they get dirty and don't care about. So they want to come directly to you and offer you the bag directly. And in that case, you can use your subscribers as a bargaining tool. However, what really matters is the views that you're getting. That's what's going to matter to the sponsor. Brands care more about views than subs because they want their product seen by as many possible people. So to attract sponsors, what you need to do is, even before you're sponsored by them, mention their products in videos. A lot of the times these sponsors have automated systems that comb YouTube to see who's mentioned in their products. Do product reviews on stuff that you purchase. Many brands will actually pay you for that, especially if it does well. Also, tutorials, bro. Tutorials. If you know how to use something complex, do a tutorial for a brand and they will come back to you and say, hey, we will pay you to do a tutorial on this as well. Start with smaller brands or niche brands, right? Smaller brands are often the eager with channels that target specific audiences, even with moderate view counts, right? So what that means is, even in the beginning, from day one, you could be on their radar. And the best ones are those hybrid sponsors where they act as affiliate programs and sponsorships, helping you build a relationship with the brand, because now you earn commissions and you have a direct relationship with them. So as far as engagement, to pick that engagement up, if you get a comment, respond to that comment, right? Because even if it's just one comment and you respond back, that now shows as 2 comments. Remember, quality views matter. So I know a lot of people, when I tell them that views over subscribers, they're thinking tons of views. That's not necessarily what I'm saying. I'm saying even if it's 100 quality views, 100 quality views is better than 1,000 not quality views in the context of making you money. Now I'm gonna get into some quick tips on how to maximize views. Once again, engage attention, right? YouTube rewards videos that keeps viewers' attention engaged longer, right? Making them more profitable. Now, before you're monetized, what that means is more views, more sponsors, more affiliate clicks. By leveraging sponsors, affiliate links, and making sure you're talking about something valuable, there is no doubt that you can earn a lot of money from day one on YouTube. Now, remember, the first most important thing is what you talk about. Choose high-paying topics that allow you to teach and provide value. Also, affiliate models. Start earning on day one with relevant affiliate products on what you're talking about. Views over subscribers. Focus on attracting consistent views rather than worrying about what your subscriber count is, especially in the beginning. Sponsorships. Show sponsors that your content gets attention, even with a small audience. Build your brand steadily with valuable content and a regular posting schedule. Even if you don't feel fully prepared, bro, start today. Each video helps you improve and grow. I started out on an iPhone in my kitchen. No, actually an iPad. It was an iPad, and I edited the videos down, and those ended up being some of the videos that took me off. Everybody started from the ground, bro. Rome was not built in a day. Now, learning beyond day one is just the beginning. Real growth comes from sticking to your plan and learning from each video experience. I'm still learning, even at the point that I made it to. Talk about something that's sustainable, right? Something that you can make 1,000 videos about. Drop a comment if you want more YouTube growth stuff from me. Rico Gang, I love y'all. We out. Let's get it.